Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX Tech Chat. My name is David McHenry. I am the Senior Engineering Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. As we get into the last half of 2024, we have some major trade shows that are coming up. So let's talk about those and some of the products you might be able to see if you come visit us. First off, in September we have IMTS here in the US. REGO-FIX is located in the West Hall. Our booth number, well, that is 431822. Make sure to come by and talk to us. If you're in Europe and you go to the AMB show, that is also in September, you will find us in Hall 3, booth 3C03. That's our booth. Come by and talk to us. Later in the year, don't forget to go to Gym Talk. We will be there as well. So any of our Asian customers, please look for us at the Gym Talk show. So what can you expect to find? Well, we will do a tech chat from the booth, but little teaser on what you might want to come take a look at. All of our new metrology products, PG48, Recool, coolant bore products for Power Grip and ER, our REGO Plus, which is a big plus dual contact tool holder, and always our XL tool holders are very popular for people at trade shows when they learn just how long we can actually get those and the reach you can achieve. Please, if you have any questions at all, reach out to your REGO-FIX technical team. Otherwise, we'll see you at the show.